Alright guys, so here I'm actually very confused because I opened down here and there's another USB-C, and as you can see here, the USB-C does fit in there. So it fits in there, but it also fits on the top. So I'm gonna have to do more research on this because there's multiple places where you can stick things. So that's good and bad. I don't know. Depends how you swing. Anyway, so yeah. I have no idea how I'm going to charge this thing now because there's two entryways. So what the heck? I don't think it says a whole lot on here, so I will. I've been sort
Likey.